hope everybody's doing okay this afternoon. We're doing great. I've got 2 crock pots going over here behind me, and I'm gonna show you the candied yams that I made today. My house smelled amazing. It smelled like cinnamon and nutmeg all day long. It still does, but here we go.
I'm starting with 7 small yams, about 1 to 2 pounds of yams that I washed, peeled, and diced. Go ahead and oil down your crock pot. I'm using some avocado oil. Place those yams in your crock pot. We are going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 cups of water, and 1/2 stick of butter. Now go ahead and put the lid on it, and we're going to cut that crock pot up to high, and we are going to cook these for about 3.5 hours. And voila, they're ready to serve.
These look so good. I have made candied yams before, and I like pineapples in them. My husband does not, and when he gets his out, I think I'm gonna add some pineapples to it. But let me taste this and make sure that it tastes just right. Let's see what this tastes like. I've never made them in the crock pot though. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is the absolute best recipe. This is a vintage recipe, and it is so good. I just couldn't wait till the holidays to have it. Y'all need to make you some.